Hi everyone, I'm Amanda and we're at Shoes of Hollywood today and we're going to try on a bunch of shoes. Firstly we have the Pleaser, which is the Beau one. They're about a 6-inch wedge. I love the box, little butterflies on there. So they come wrapped in 2 separate little bags, so you're not going to get the heels all scratched or anything. One heel and the other. And they're definitely not going to come at all damaged in transit because they are so beautifully packed. And then they also have these for if you're traveling and you can put your shoes in there. It comes with a bit of foam to separate the heels. So let's try them on. They have a gorgeous branding on the bottom in gold saying Pleaser. Straps feel very secure, so I can't wait to go for a run in these. Pretty easy to put on, and a nice little zip at the back, so you don't have to do up any buckles. And then the sole of this is actually like a really nice kind of suede material and a little bit plush, so it feels very comfy on the bottom of my feet. Let's just adjust them so they look all beautiful. What do you think, guys? So they've got that beautiful cork wedge. Easy to walk in. And I think the black and this like beige sort of look is really nice. You can wear it with jeans or any sort of outfit. And yeah, I'm finding them very comfy. I feel very balanced, very secure. The back is comfortable. It's not pulling anywhere around my ankles. Make my feet look nice and thin, which is good. So we're just going to go for a walk now. Just can wear these on the weekend, just with a cute pair of jeans and a top like I'm wearing. Or you could wear them with a little black dress. That could also look really nice. It's a really nice day out here, so we're going outside for a little wander. What do you guys think? If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to subscribe to the Shoes of Hollywood channel. I'll be on here reviewing quite a few different shoes, and hit the notifications at the top so you can see whenever I come on and do a new shoe video. So yes, these are the Beau style 6-inch heels. Really, really gorgeous, super comfortable, easy to walk in. And they're a bit different. They're not just your average heel, so it makes your wardrobe a bit different if you're going for that different look, that other style. Heading back in the shop now, guys. Hope you enjoyed being outside with me. Back in the shop. So you can see a bit of a full body look once again. Awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the shoes, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll just show you how easy they are to take off. Slides off like that. My feet aren't sore at all, very comfortable. So yes, this is the Beau shoe from Pleaser. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Bye.